Let us get more information on the specific part of big cycle, financial cycle. The fundamental aspects are: zero emission technologies imply the absence of currency emission usually made by central banks. All the technologies based on digital currencies with tracing the financial transactions. One of the key advantage of these approaches is zero inflation and fixed price policy. The financial cycle is built upon the financial flows from Federal Reserve Bank to corporation and individuals and back to Federal Reserve Bank based on corporate and individual maximal limits and smart tax policies. Proactively, individuals and corporations may donate the finance to international programs to save the planet. They will receive the rewards points that can be used for different nominations and regional motivational programs. Any Federal Reserve Fund will consist of National Local Fund and Multi-Currency Fund for international operations and any other cooperative financial flows between different countries.
How does the system define the cash limits for individuals?
The limits for a cumulative bank account is based on career grade system. The higher grade, the higher limit. For Russia, the highest grade will correspond to around $1 million limit.
How does the system define the cash limits for corporations?
The max corporation balance will depend on the size of society it represents, and other parameters.
How will the different countries balance the reserve fund for international cooperations?
This is one of the interesting questions. The different countries should define the possible cooperation in advance. The AI will validate the financial sustainability of the planned relations. For example, if country A has tourism and corporation cooperation relations with country B, whereas country B has food delivery, intellectual outsourcing relations with country C has other type of relations with country A. AI must provide the sustainable type of relations to support the financial ABC cycle. In reality, the relations could be much more complex. In case of non-existing two-side cooperation, the financial surplus could be automatically redirected to Global Bank for further investigation how to provide the cycle. All the international operation will be processed through Global Bank.
What is the approximate distribution between two parts, National Reserve Fund and International Reserve Fund in the Federal Reserve Bank?
Let us consider the approximate values for Russia. $30 trillion equivalent is local National Reserve Fund and $10 trillion International Fund for Cooperation. Around 50% of National Fund must be filled permanently. The rest 50% or $15 trillion will be distributed between governmental salary base and other monthly payments fund, corporate bank accounts and individual bank account.
How many banks should be represented in one country?
From my standpoint, there must be at least one international bank operator, one governmental and 3 brand financial operators. The competition is needed to support competitive environment to provide better service and develop innovative technologies.